So the product we're trying out today is this animal playmat by the company name of Tepsmigo, which is right here, and you can find them on Amazon. Look at that! So from first glance, you can see that the mat is right here, and it comes with this really nice case to keep everything in. And look at all the animals, Kaden! Look at all of them! Okay, now time to look at the animals, buddy. Look at all those animals! So, we got a hippo, a wolf, a polar bear, a moose, a giraffe, a bear, a gorilla, an alligator, a cheetah, a tiger, and a rhino. These are pretty good size. Just so you know, look at them, the size of my hand compared to them. They are really good size, especially for my 1-year-old. They are going to be nice for him to hold on to and play with. So my baby is a year old, and so to play with this mat for right now, because of his age level, he'll probably just look at the animals and get to know the animals. Oh, there's a snake too that I forgot to mention. That was a little scary. There's a snake too. But the animals for right now, he'll probably just hold on to them and play with them and learn the names of them. But there's some other activities that you can do with this mat and do with animals. You can paint with them, so you can like dip them in paint and make like prints. Another idea is to take the animal and push it into Play-Doh, and that way it gets the prints of the animals. Another idea is that if you had some like other animals to put in with this, you could do like household animals versus farm animals versus like safari type animals, and you can sort them. Another thing that maybe I could start doing at his age is like sorting the animals by color. So for example, the wolf and the polar bear are both white, so we could put those together. The giraffe and the cheetah, both similar colors, so you can sort them that way. You could also arrange them by size, so you could be like the hippo's bigger than the snake is. I mean, there's so many endless possibilities and ways to play with this mat and teach your little ones, and they can really learn a lot in the process. What do you think? Hippo. Hippo. Nom 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 nom. Hippo. Look. Polar bear. Polar bear. Wolf. So overall, I give this product a 5 out of 5 stars. The quality is really nice. It shipped super quickly. I really like the size of the animals. They're not real tiny, they're really large. And then also there's endless ways to play and learn with this mat. What do you think, Boo? What do you think? So I would say anybody who's interested in getting animals and a play mat for their baby, please check out this product on Amazon under this name right here. Because another point to think about is if you want to get animals for your kids to play with like these are easily $7, $8, $10 each at Michael's. And when you really think about that, buy 2 of them at Michael's for 20 bucks. Might as well buy all of the animals and the mat too. I mean, you get so many, and you get a reusable bag. So honestly, this product is super awesome.